So on today's episode, we have another important episode. Today we're going to discuss how to release guilt and welcome self-worth. Don't forget to subscribe. Please also like this video and stay to the end for our motivational quote. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am guilt-free. I can forgive myself. I release old guilt. People accept my mistakes. Every day I get better. Today I embrace my self-worth. I am worthy. I let go easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.